In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the ieGeek Bell J1 Doorbell. The smart doorbell offers more security when you are home alone or busy. Stay tuned. Part 1, Doorbell Network Setup. Step 1, install the SD card and charge the battery. Insert an SD card to record videos. Charge the batteries with a USB-compatible wall charger. Step 2, set up the ieGeek Bell J1. Launch the ieGeek Cam app, press Add Device, select Smart Doorbell. Press Smart Video Doorbell, press Next, press the bell button, and press Next. Use the supplied reset pin, reset the device, tap Next, select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and enter the password. Press the Next to scan the QR code. Press Next. When it shows Add Successful, press Next under Installation Guide. Press Done on Network Diagnostic page, choose a family and select a room, press Done. Step 3, run a test. Tap on the live view window for a test after finishing all the steps. Then take your doorbell outside to the installation spot and run a test there. Part 2, pair the chime. Step 1, install the battery. Put the included battery into the chime. The chime is powered by 3 units of AAA batteries. Step 2, reset the chime. Press the Reset button on the side of the chime, and wait for the LED indicator to flash red. Step 3, pair the chime. Press the bell button, the chime will sound to react. Pairing succeeds as the indicator on the chime is in solid blue. Part 3, install the ieGeek Bell J1. Step 1, dismount the bracket. Dismount the bracket by pushing from the back of your doorbell, remove the insulation film in the battery cell. Step 2, mount the bracket. Mount the bracket on the wall with screws. Step 3, mount the doorbell. Mount your doorbell to the fixed bracket. Make sure it reaches the bottom where you can hear a click. Secure your doorbell with the provided star-shaped security screw and screwdriver. That's all for how to set up the ieGeek Bell J1 Doorbell. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see more new products and updates. Tell us what videos to do next in the comments below.